Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need an oil change, a new suspension, or a tune-up, at Patriot Subaru we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru Master Technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, and see how Patriot Subaru's green policy extends to every part of our business. Talk to us about the things we do to be a good environmental citizen. Check out one of the largest in-stock parts departments for genuine OEM parts in New England. Plus, we order every day, so you always get what you need fast. Schedule service appointments online, and when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.